Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube. My name is Nur Muhammad from NWatch and we are back with another one watch 5 new looks. So where I'm going to be showing a few strap option for this particular watch. This is the DIY Watch Club D02 sorry. This one is basically a watch modding kit, so where you're going to be receiving the watch but it is unassembled, so you have to assemble it yourself. And this is my first ever project watch that I received from Emily from DIY Watch Club. So thank you very much, Emily, for sponsoring this particular content, right? So in this video, basically what I'm going to be doing is just sharing you a few different strap options. And first up is this what do you call this, khaki colorway strap of simple nato strap from, I have no idea what this brand is. I think I've got this from a buddy of mine, so thank you very much, Anif, for giving me this particular watch strap. So but still, you can find this strap on AliExpress or other similar watch strap website, right? So I'm an affiliate member of AliExpress, so obviously I'm going to be leaving you guys with a few links from AliExpress. But yeah, still thank you very much if you guys use those links. Thank you very much for supporting this channel, right? So I've totally forgot to mention diameter of this particular watch is 41.5 millimeters from here to here, and thickness of 15.5, a lug to lug of 47.8, and it comes with a 22 millimeters lug width, right? So I haven't really had any new watches in 22 millimeters lug width recently, because I tend to buy straps that is in 20 millimeters, so that is why yeah, the options are a bit limited. But yeah, still we do what we can do, right? So this is your typical nato strap where we have a 1 millimeters in thickness. So, and you can see it is a very tall watch, but because it is thin, so it's not going to be adding that much of a thickness to the watch, right? So before we put this watch on the wrist, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I'm wearing my Chronos L6015 or 6105, I can't remember, maybe 6015, and homage of a certain R brand, so you guys know what it is. But yeah, still let's just put that away. So there is a bit of similarity here, right? So yeah, you can see those indices are almost the same, but this one is having that that glossy black dial, which looks very cool, right? So let's just put it on the wrist and see how it looks like. And right, so I am on the 5th hole, and you see that we have tons of different stuff, tons of holes left, and I haven't really used this particular strap, so yeah, that is why there is no crease whatsoever, and I think it would fit me just fine, right? So what do you guys think? Silver dial or dark silver dial with a khaki color. So what do you guys think? I think it looks cool. But yeah, let's move on to next strap, which is, because this is a nato strap, I just have to take it off and put another strap back on, which is easy to do, right? So let's just go for another AliExpress strap. So I think this one is from Julong, so this colorway, you guys know what this is. This is the I want to say NTTD Bond style strap. So we have this seat belt material here with this black and beige and gray color in the middle of the strap, which is looks really cool, right? So of course it is using this double pass construction, but still it won't add that much of a thickness to the watch, right? So, and what I do like about this particular strap is that you see that the buckle is very short, and yeah, I really don't like to add bulk to my watches these days. So let's just quickly put that onto the watch and see how it looks like, right? So I think that looks cool. What do you guys think? So yeah, let's just put it on the wrist and see how it fits my 6.75 inch wrist or 17 centimeters wrist circumference, right? So I'm on the 5th hole, so still have tons of holes left. So maybe people up to 7.5 inch wrist can still use this particular strap. So if you guys has wrist size bigger than that, maybe you might want to ask the seller before you purchase anything, right? So this is from AliExpress Julong store, I think. So of course I will leave a few links down below for you to purchase this strap, right? So that is strap number 2 from AliExpress. Let's go to strap number 3, which is from a strap maker from Singapore. I've been using various Singapore straps for many years now, and yep, thank you very much, Ivan, for sending me these straps. Right, so this is a single pass twill strap, I think the name is this, and we have this vario sign buckle up top, and this time around it is a single pass construction. So very simple and easy to use. Nowadays I just prefer single pass straps rather than double pass, because it's just feels much more comfortable on the wrist. But of course you will lose this, this hardware here, but I don't really mind it. So check that out, guys. So I think we have this silver and beige color with this silver middle line here, which I know it still looks cool in my opinion, and fixed keepers on here, and like I mentioned just now, a sign vario brush buckle. Right, so let's just quickly put it on wrist and see how it looks like. Right, so I'm on the 4th hole, so you still have tons of straps left, so maybe people up to 8-inch wrist can still use this particular strap. But if you guys have bigger wrist than that, so please do check with Ivan from Vario Singapore. So that is how this silver twill strap looks on my wrist, and yeah, what do you guys think? It looks cool in my opinion, right? So let's go to strap number 4, which is from another brand in Singapore, right? They are based in Singapore. I have no idea where they made these things, but yeah, still. This is called the nato from lovewatchstraps.com. So you can see that the construction here is a bit different. It still is a 2-pass strap, but fixed keepers is on the closer position to the buckle, but this second one is basically movable, right? So and of course they have stitching here. So this one is using this silk belt style material. So and then this, you can feel the texture, you can feel the bumps here, which makes it a bit different. So this one is flat, but this one you can feel this texture, which is cool in my opinion. Of course it will cost more than normal straps, but for that extra extra feel, I just think it is totally worth it. And you can see that the end of the strap is cut in angular, right? So yeah, that's unique in my opinion. And we have Love Watch Straps logo, which is a logo from the anime Luffy sorry, from the anime One Piece, I think, right? So yeah, it looks cool, right? So and this colorway is called a vintage bond, I think, right? So let's just put it on the wrist and see how it looks like. And yeah, like I mentioned just now, the second keeper is movable, right? So what you can do is slide through the first keeper, go to second keeper. You can always bend it like so, but doing that it will damage your strap. What I prefer to do is just slide this keeper, and yeah, you can see that you don't have to fold it. And for me, I don't mind the look, but if you guys do mind the look, yeah, you can always fold it, tuck it back in. So that is how this particular nato from Love Watch Straps looks like, and I think it looks cool, right? So let's just go to strap number 5. Alright guys, so this is the last strap for today. This is the Elastico strap from lovewatchstraps.com. Right, so again, similar to the same website that you can get this particular nato, but this time around it is using this elastic material, which for me looks really nice. And yeah, the cool thing about this straps from lovewatchstraps.com, they are using quite a heavy duty material, so they last longer compared to your normal, so your usual AliExpress stuffs that you can get for under $10. This one will cost you a bit more at 20, I think, but still the material used is very nice, right? So it's, of course, we have this adjustable keeper, let's just say adjuster here, and we have this hook sign with Love Watch straps, right? So, and this, I think this is called the, what do you call this, Phoenix Bond or something like that. I just can't remember what the name of this particular colorway, but yeah, still, let's just take it off and check out the construction of this particular strap, right? So very nice black and red and gray colorway, and of course this is a single pass construction, so that will not add quite a lot of thickness to the watch, which is good in my opinion. And yeah, I just think that it is a bit short if you guys have bigger wrist than mine. But of course, do check with Love Watch strap if they have something bigger, if you guys longer, if you guys have a much bigger wrist than mine, right? So there you have it, guys, my 5 different strap options for this DIY Watch Club D02 watch modding kit watch, right? So again, this is assembled by me right? So thank you very much again to Emily from DIY Watch Club for sponsoring this watch, and of course to other straps that's featured here. So this one is sent in to me by Love Watch strap, that one is from Vario, this one is free from my buddy, and this one is from AliExpress. Of course, I will leave a few purchase links down below if you guys like what you see, right? So if you guys like what you see in this style of video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.